Hello everyone, welcome to Simon 2. Today Simon go to job site and do some work. Let's get the keys and head and get booking. My sunglasses and the key. Get very dirty. Let's go in here. Check the tools. Coffee. The hat if in case the sun. Coffee. The key. And I still lost my tool set somewhere. We do very easy today. Replace the starter motor for the Nissan tida, and oh, I don't know where the another box of tools. Someone steal it. So it's very easy job today. Just the Nissan tida, whatever you call, 2009. Report to me and call me to get the starter motors and front patch replaced, and we'll be done. I don't know, did I put the box of the pads in? Double check if I forgot. Okay, I recheck and make sure you have plenty of water. I got coffee, but the water is we need the most. And any more water. And here, 2 heads. Always with me. Okay, 2 heads. Beautiful. Let's bookies. I don't know, they call Nissan tida or Nissan tida or what next Nissan tidas, whatever it is. This is how the starter motor look like. Okay, it's brand spanking new, and I never done do one of them before. I never know how difficult or easy. So, but I say all Nissan or Mitsubishi, I don't know, but all Nissan is mostly very punch on the jaws. It's easy to replace all the starter motor. Most Toyota. The 19 and the bottom one in here, and we are bingo. Okay. Now joy spanner. I got one in 19, right? And then hopefully I can get him out. Man, it's very hard. Okay, done. Bolts and nuts and screw. Take it out, and then so while we down here, we replace the oil for him as well because the oil very old, and last him 1 year for service while we're doing starter motor and the front pads. Okay, that one there. Now we got to the top one and leave it there. It's only a small car, doesn't matter. My jack. Pull it out. Oh shit. Fuck me, did soon. Number 8. Let's see how we get out. Add it back in. This one genuine. Okay, here. Slide on this way.
wrong location for this one. Can I get them on?
Both them on. Top one first.
No hand here. Okay, light up. Like.
This one, good one.
Same way out, same way in. Dip my finger in the hole. Get the right way, right hole. That's it. Start the motor out. Brake pads much easier. And job done. Go home, sleep. Go home, sleep, man. Okay, super hot. Okay. Luckily done. And tie this one, the starter motor bolt. Okay, job done. Okay, job done for starter motor. Now we do service, and brakes should be easy. Okay. Undo the oil. Some here. 14. Okay, we got this one out. Okay. Go here for the oil can. There you go, 1000 km per hour. Okay.
Chạy thẳng chỗ gần bên.
Okay, go and buy me a kettle, please. So I have to fix this one for him too. Kettle for push out the plastic. Okay, we open up the wheels while we do the brakes. We prepare one stone, two birds. One stone, two birds. Okay. Front pad low. Okay. Brakes, oil. And we got some more in there. If not enough, we'll grab more. Okay. Take it out. You want stop rattling? I stop for you. Okay, watch out for the radiator, but never hurt. See?
Oh, you number one, man.
Forever, man. Okay, hot water, kettle, wet. Push them out. Beautiful. Like virgin. Okay, we train the oil done. Put the plug back on. Wait for another kettle, hot water. Push it out more, and then cover everything up. Save some money. We do check water for him and check oil before we put battery on, and then we gonna have to put oil. And this one inspection next time broken. Open up the winder. Open up winder and knock it down deeper. And then we tie them on. Okay, that's how you do it for your battery hand. No loose, no movement. Loose it out. More. Like this. Push it out. Yeah, that's what we need. Make sure the battery terminal all the way down and no movement around. That's what you will do after when you replace the battery. When pop the speed hump, make sure the car is stable for them and no trouble. Okay. Now we fill up oil. We need at least 4 liters within oil, and then we go home. 5:30 we'll be alright. This one done a lot of K too, so doesn't worry. Maybe next year. Save money, okay? It's called the engine mouth on the top one. Okay, top engine mouth. Bloody hot. Burn my chicken leg, man. 2 kettle, okay? And don't burn your leg, man, it's scary. See? Straight. Just learn a lesson today. From pick the bumper bar for free. Yeah? Okay, done.
Chỗ cái gì đó cho nó cô đi.
And put the clip on, and it should stay in like that. You see? That's your job, man.
Thank you, man.
Okay, check the oil, and then we start up, and then we do the driver's side brakes. And go home, man. Go home. Go home. Oh, beautiful, fresh to be here. Okay. All here, the best. We started up. See the moment of truth. Sex needle. See how it like.
Đây nha, ở đây.
Yeah. Super quiet engine. Good. Okay, full service done. Job done, and now one more inspection for the oil. See if they're right level, and we pack up and go home. We have another car to go. That's the exchange starter motor. Put it back in and go and check the oil one more time, and then we can book it and one more time. My coffee. Okay, here, and then go. See, tới đây là max, so that lasts him 1 year. Okay, good. Xong rồi check oil, water, go forever. Car go forever. Okay, go like this. Beautiful, better than before. See? Yeah, he's scared. He's gonna check me twice. See? Double check on me, huh? Okay, finally job done. Jump in the car, turn on the heater, and ready to go home. And yeah, you know, first time, I never know. Go wrong address, same cars, and the other one was earlier, latest model. So I go to the wrong house, and lucky they didn't get a shotgun and shoot at me. So that's the good thing. Now he test drive the car. See, now he test drive the car. See how fast the car can do. Really good. See, do the test straight away. Do the test drive straight away with the brakes and checking. I'm waiting here. Okay, go home. See ya.